Same formula, another problem tayo. A 4.00 centimeter tall light bulb is placed a distance of 35.5 centimeter from a diverging lens. Pag sinabing diverging, ito ay concave. Dapat negative ang F. Yes, negative ang ating F, which is negative 12.2 centimeter. And still, we're going to determine the image distance and image height. Okay, given. Okay, height ng object, 4.0 cm again. Distance ng object, 5.5 cm. Ang ating F, negative 12.2 cm. We're solving for DI and DO. HO rather. Okay, now, solution tayo. 1 over HI, 1 over DI is equals to 1 over F minus 1 over DO. Substitute the values. 1 over F natin, negative 12.2 cm minus DO, 1 over 35.5 cm. So DI now is equals to
Negative 0.
Negative 0.11. 0.
centimeter over, this is may over 1,
Kaya ito
sorry.
ginagamit po.
Over 1, so DI now is equals to negative 9.09 centimeter. Okay, next, so for DHI, HI is equals to negative DI times HO over DO. Substitute the value. HI is equals to negative times negative 9.09 centimeter times HO 4.0 centimeter divided by DO 35.5 centimeter. What's your HI?
1.02.
1.02. That is positive na, no? Centimeter. And then, describe the LOST. Location. Hindi natin ang location dahil negative 12 as was at 9 between F and B. Okay. Then orientation.
Orientation sa straight.
Ang inch natin ng positive, upright. Ang ating size, diminish. Bakit? From 4 naging 1. Okay, diminish. And then lastly, ang ating type ay?
Type.
Negative. So dapat negative hindi ay virtual.
Type.
Image.
Yeah.
Okay, madali lang, ano? Yan na.